Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, this is Neil. I sound all happy, but I'm not. I'm not really happy. Actually, I was watching the news right now, and guess what? There's a fire where I live, and when I go outside, look at the smokes and the airplanes and stuff right there. That's all smoke coming from the fire. Look at that. Dang. And then like you can see all these like ashes coming down. Smells really fiery, if that's a word. Dang. Look at that. Well, there's planes. I can see a plane. It's going inside the thing. Look at, there's a piece of ash flying. You can hear the planes. Oh my gosh. Whew. Look at the plane right there. Kind of see it like right there. That's the plane right there. There's a lot of planes. There's like 4 planes flying. Whew. Look at that.
The phone with one of our producers here said that she talked to a friend who
Look at
lives
that
in the
explosion.
area, and that she was told that a very unofficial
Crazy.
gathering of people, evacuees who are leaving this neighborhood, are trying to meet up with family and friends, and where they're going to try to meet.
They're saying that a plane might crash, but the airports, they have no idea what's going on. They have no signs that a plane crashed. So I don't know.
Again, we headline here just a few minutes ago.
But yeah, this is pretty crazy.
That they believe this is a natural gas break, a very large pipe that is broken.
Natural
16 inches,
gas break.
24 inches. They don't know how it broke, how they're going to fix it. But again, this coming from a source within PG&E. They even identified a specific line as line 132.
Well, that would certainly seem to explain, Bill, what we're seeing here.
Closer view. Sorry about the camera. I still need to buy a new one. But you can see like the planes flying around. Ooh, wow. All the way across the sky. But no time to make jokes today. Piece of ash flying. See that?